Welcome to my kitchen, you guys. Today we're going to be talking about the Modere Activate and how it helps to cleanse your body, okay? This is a 3-day cleanse and you do it monthly. So I like to do it the first 3 days of every month, okay? And what it is it's just 3 little stick packs of this cleanse, okay? It says it naturally eliminates toxins, rejuvenates cellular health, ignites digestive energy. And you guys, this is the best cleanse I've ever used. I can tell a difference when I use it, you know, and that's what keeps me coming back for more every month is that I feel like my bloating goes down. I feel like there's just like almost this release in like body water, you know, retention. And it's just so good. So it has psyllium seed husk, apple fruit pectin, and it has aloe vera in it too. So aloe vera is actually really good for your digestive system. It's soothing and healing. I actually take the Modere aloe vera too as like a daily like extra benefit to my gut health. Another thing that I take for my gut health from Modere is this Tribiotic. Okay, this is a pre, pro, and postbiotic. This is incredible for gut health. There's a lot of scientific research that's been done on it, and I'm telling you, it has changed my skin, it's changed my mood, my hair, my gut, because your gut is like the key to your overall wellness, okay? So if you get your gut right, then everything else in your body starts working better. So I love this 3-day cleanse to do that. And so what I'm gonna do is just open this up. Okay, sometimes I have to use scissors for this, okay? And I have, I don't know, this is probably like 6 ounces of water here, okay? And you just dump it in. A lot of people ask like how to take the Activate, and that's what I wanted to talk about in today's video, is how to take this. Then you just blend it up, okay? You don't have to have anything fancy like this little thing. You can just stir it or you can shake it, but I like this little thing. It just makes it easy. Now, one thing that you wanna make sure is that you chug this like right away because it will get thicker, okay? This is cold water. It doesn't have to be ice cold, but I just use cold water, okay? And then chug it right away because it thickens. And if it thickens, it's okay. You're just gonna have to add more water and like mix it again. So yeah, just try to chug it right away because you want it to like thicken in your gut. So it's cleansing, it's doing its job and cleaning it out. To me, this tastes like, it tastes like a really like green drink, but it's got like some lemon flavor in there. And you know what's really interesting? It's so good. Okay, some people say that it's like nasty, but here's what I'll tell you, is that anytime that greens taste bad to you, whether it's like a green juice or celery juice, if you've ever done celery juicing, they say that it's like, the worse it tastes, the more your body needs it, okay? And so this was really interesting because the first time I drank this, I was like, oh, like, I don't know if I can get this down. But I did, and now I look forward to it every month. Like, to me, it tastes good. Like, my mouth is kind of watering right now. It tastes lemony, and it just tastes like it's gonna really cleanse my body. It tastes healthy, okay? But not like gross, okay? So those are my tips on Activate, okay? 6 ounces of cold water, mix it really good. Don't let it sit and just chug it, okay? And do it for 3 days in a row. Usually the first 3 days of the month is the best because it's just easy to remember. And you guys, this is a part of the Lean Body System. So you can do this cleanse by itself, and I'm gonna leave a link below in the description box so that you can get $10 off of anything that you order the first time from Modere. And I'll also link some of these products that I talked about. But the Lean Body System includes the Activate. I have other videos that I've done on this that goes into more detail, so I'm gonna link those here. But this is the Lean Body System, okay? It has our trim, which like everyone is obsessed with. You guys, this is our collagen fat blasting pudding. It has CLA, which is going to help boost your muscle mass, shrink your fat cells, and the collagen is gonna just help with so many things: hair, skin, nails, joints, everything. Like, I love this collagen. It's a special collagen with hyaluronic acid. So it's a collagen HA matrix you can't find anywhere else, okay? That's why this works so well. And it is complemented by these other products. So the burn is going to help to increase your energy and decrease your appetite and your cravings. And it's gonna boost your metabolism. So it's gonna help you start burning more calories. And I'm telling you, if you pair this with your trim, you are gonna see faster results. I'm telling you that because I run out of this and I notice like, I'm still kind of getting results, but it's like a little bit slower. So I like to get my burn in there. I also like how I feel. So I personally take 2 burn a day. You can take up to 3 a day. They do have some caffeine. So I get into all of that in my other video in the Lean Body System. And I also share like some before and after pictures and things like that. So make sure you check it out if you are interested in that. And then of course the Activate. So the Lean Body System is amazing for people who are looking to lose 10 pounds or more. And then if you're just looking to lose like 10 pounds or less or just tone up, you're gonna love the trim, okay? And I haven't taken my trim yet today, so I'm just gonna show you like how I take it. It's like so you can see like how simple it is to add into your daily routine. Okay, so you just squeeze it onto the spoon. Okay, there's that. And then I take my Tribiotic and I just sprinkle it on top here, okay? Chocolate is so good. But anyway, so the Tribiotic, it has no flavor, okay? They're just these little beads, as you can see, okay? Little beads. And sometimes too, I'll sprinkle this in yogurt and I make like a little parfait. I do yogurt, strawberries, a little bit of trim and Tribiotic, and it's like delicious. Personally, I do the Oikos 000 yogurt and I like the vanilla one because it doesn't have any added sugar. It's high protein. It's like perfect snack. So if you're looking for a fat burning snack, that's a little bonus action for you. If you want any of these products, if you have any questions, you can either find me over on Instagram. I will link it below, or you can text me directly. I'm gonna link my number in the description box so that you can just chat more one-on-one with me about what Modere products are right for you based on what your goals are, and I can really like personalize and tailor a system just for you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If it was, let me know down in the comments below and make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss out.